You thought this is the worst YouTuber ever Pokey Science, but there's another similar case from this short. From the one and only Red King. And look at the comments. Someone leave a comment. Bing.
Here in the Rizal Memorial Coliseum.
She has 300 freaking subscribers. Basically remade. Oh no. Oh no, not this. This is the second level of cringe. Why the hell did I make Gotham in a dress and this thing that I don't know for real, and this it's basically this channel's not family friendly. This thing does the shirt is for pop, for stripping, for outfit. Basically like a memes YouTuber that's into fundamental paper education. The most I hate this show. Gangle stands more like Gangle's transformation from this. Get it? Yeah, it's kind of like the same from this. Yeah, I have to go back to this. Like this. See the resemblance? Oh no, By the way, I changed my profile. Yeah. I watch this brain rot content for anything. Easily Kyle the Mouse, you're right. This is the most stinking channel. They like it. This is basically like the second Pokey Science. Like GH. Explain this. Basically like content. I think I've seen this from another YouTuber. Yeah, it's cringe. Cringe as hell. Yippee! Not the bring
points already
from
for
because
the
it is
most
short.
consistent.
Because the videos are even more pain.
Look very effortless.
They're short. Those are short as well from my old video. This isn't short.
A little confused but they get it. As Philippines now goes back to louder, the scores are 11 points of the match.
My final point
Very
is
consistent.
pain.
And we're running out of words for this player. As she really
Like
combines
red
power
pain.
and her fourth sense
Perfect.
knowing how to score
But
those points for
thing is, this is the
Alas
community.
It's a swag too.
She's developed new
None
habits
of
and
them.
antics every after a point. She doesn't even
None
choose what kind of
them.
points they are. She really just do it every
Yeah,
time.
basically, it's kind of like a
To the
spam
delight,
thing.
of course, of the whole crowd. here in Manila, Philippines. They enjoy that as much as they enjoy the kills. I'm sure Chinese Taipei not enjoying that one as they are now behind by 2 with Thea Gagate serving.
Oh, it's basically like other language YouTuber.
And a good serve again.
By the way, I'm making you a meme in my
They
community.
were overtaken by Chinese Taipei.
This is my friends on Red Chains.
Scoring on
Brave.
here in the third set. Thea Gagate.
That will be our 6th. Sorry, that will be our
I'm
4th.
that. I'm like that in one school, just parkouring, excited for that.
GS2, AS1.
Yeah, basically like the
Yeah.
same thing as science. Sorry, actually, one more last time. One of those cringe content like Pokey Science. If you want to self-cringe yourself, go to this guy. If you want like to watch this, because you like seeing gang, go to the anime first. Like, what the hell is this? Don't recommend watching this.
6 aces.
I'm already talking about Nina in this video.
That's just the aces.
From I have a new. Do we have a new profile? I already talked about Nina, so yeah.
From the opponent.
If you want to suffer yourself, go to this channel and see this cringe content, except for the fundamental people ones are good.
Of course, these players.
What is this?
They have but they managed to really
You're like
improve the
just
overall
like puppy,
defense of this batch of this team.
Yeah,
And that is why they're
like
able
and
to do
subscribe
a
and
lot of
sub to me, not
counterattacks, a
her.
lot of longer rallies, but this time,
If you want to see my new meme, here.
Chinese Taipei will stop that
This.
rally. They are
And
trailing
this.
by 3 points.
Trailing by
And
2
this.
sets. Can they receive?
Yeah, subscribe please.
Lowry again.